Hello everybody, I hope you all are having a fantastic day today. It is March 23rd, and last video we took a look at sundial growers and their recent earnings report. Today I want to look at Castor Maritime, or ticker symbol CTRM. So before we get into that, all I ask is for you to subscribe and like the video. It helps a ton as I am a new channel. Alright, let's get right into this video. Castor Mine is a shipping company focused on dry bulk vessels. The company currently owns a fleet of 6 vessels, but the company is aggressively seeking to grow that total. Castor in February announced 2 deals, adding tanker capacity to its mix and doubling its fleet size. It is one of the best times to be expanding shipping and logistic operations. The pandemic disrupted supply chains and left a lot of ships out of position to handle the normal flow of goods. Disruptions over the past year have left some operators scrambling for cash and creating opportunities to buy ships at reasonable prices. Castor has been buying up like crazy this past year, and I don't believe they are done yet. The CEO of Castor said the company remains committed to its plan to grow its fleet. They are working on identifying and taking advantage of attractive opportunities presented to Castor across vessel sizes and segments. As you can see here, it has taken a little bit of a beating, about like 4 points today, 5 points. But that's just the market going on right now. I believe this is a great buying opportunity to buy the stock as it is right now. It did have a little bit of rally from March 4th all the way up to March 15th, but now we're just on a steady decline. So I believe it is a good position to buy some stocks like 4 days out throughout this month and the next month. Now, Castor is an interesting company in an attractive niche. However, lots of institutions and writers believe the market has already priced in the opportunity for the shipping company. But with the increase of the world's supply chain going up in flames, I believe the companies in the sector that continue to expand, even in tough times, will be the victors, taking loads of the transportation market, instead of the boring old transportation companies paying out dividends, buying back their shares, and being guided by a board all but filled with investors wanting their 7% dividend yield. Castor has stated before they are a growth-oriented shipping company engaged in the seaborne transportation. The last year alone, Castor has purchased 7 more huge tankers to their fleet. I believe they are in a great position for exponential growth in the transportation sector. They have been announcing vessel acquisition after acquisition. This month alone, March 2021, Castor has purchased 4 more vessels, a great step in the right direction for a growth-oriented shipping company. Especially how small the company is, not even large shipping companies with billions of dollars in market cap are purchasing new vessels at this rate. Alright, let's go ahead and see their earnings. The current earnings, they are expected to come out on April 5th pre-market. Now, they have had some pretty good earnings. They are not losing a ton of money like all these other shipping companies in really bad times. Another run for $2 is possible for Castor. The most recent reported financial results showed the company generated $2.8 million in revenues, an incredible 133% increase over the compared year-ago period. Castor retains a fantastic capital position, as Castor reported restricted cash of only $38 million. That's a 650% increase over the company's cash and restricted cash position at the end of 2019. Castor is growing incredibly quickly while maintaining a solid capital position. I mean, like, just look at this amazing buying opportunity right now. They IPO'd about $7.10 a share, and I believe they could go back to that years from now. That's an 800% return. Now let's go ahead and see this recent article that was posted just 6 a.m. on today. Castor Maritime Inc. announced the delivery of Wonder Cirrus, a new vessel that they just added to their fleet that they reported they were buying on February 11th. Here you can see here we are pleased to announce the successful delivery of Wonder Cirrus, the second of our 2 tankers. These timely acquisitions into the tanker sector diversify our revenue sources, while the attached charters provide us with cash flow security throughout 2021. This is what I look for to invest in. They are buying so many new vessels at such a quick rate while being able to maintain the same cash flow security throughout 2021. Their 2 tankers are expected to generate $10 million of gross revenue for the minimum scheduled period of charters. or approximately $21 million. This is absolutely amazing. Now, Castor Maritime is an international provider of shipping transportation services through its ownership of ocean-going cargo vessels. On a full delivered basis, Castor will have a fleet of 14 vessels. That's amazing for a market cap and stock of this size. Now, where they refer on information fully delivered basis, they are referring to such information after giving effect to the successful acquisition of their recent vessel acquisitions. All right, let's go ahead and look at what Castor Mine has been doing. Now, back in 2019, they were a $6 stock. And I believe they did decline because of the shipping problems, and they had really bad logistical problems in their fleet. And they weren't focused on growth. They were instead of focused on just paying a little tiny dividend yield. And those companies are normally set to decline, not show exponential growth. That's why it went to about 12 cents a share. Absolutely amazing. I mean, that's unbelievable. That's where I see a great buying opportunity in this stock. Now, if we look at year to date, they did have an increase from 19 cents a share all the way up to $1.73 per share, a 810% increase. I believe this company is still set for exponential growth, and this is just the beginning. But that's just my opinion. Another run of $2 is, of course, possible after their recent earnings report, which was absolutely, they just blew it out of the water. Now, I thank you all for your support after this most recent video. Oh my god, it almost got 800 views. Honestly, I appreciate it so much, and I'm trying to get my channel all the way up to 1,000 subscribers in a month, so I'm going to be posting more than 4 videos a day because I just want to provide as much value and news as possible on my channel. Now, this was my point of view and analysis on Castor. I plan on covering more on penny stocks, options, and educational videos, as well as news videos like this recent one for earnings reports. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. So that's a quick 8-minute video on Castor Maritime with an analysis and prediction. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, if you do enjoy these videos, make sure to hit that like button for YouTube. Subscribe if you're new. I post 4 videos on the most trending stocks daily. And thank you all for watching. Check out my older videos. They are a great insight for different stocks that ARK Invest buys. And if NVS is the next Tesla, who knows? Also, load up on this stock. Corporations are buying the stock a ton. Make sure to check that one out, as well as Zomedica stock update. I absolutely love that video. I put a ton of work into it. Please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.